If you're a Florida gardener and you're getting ready to put plants in the ground for your fall garden, wait just a second, because if you plant these 5 specific vegetables, things that might be popular in other parts of the country or even seem to make sense for our really long growing season, they're gonna fail. In this video, I'm gonna tell you which 5 plants to skip and what you should be planting instead to actually get a harvest in fall and winter. It's common to think that it's hot here literally all the time because it kind of feels like it. I'm sweating right now. But we have actually a couple months stretch where it actually does get a little cool for a decent part of the state. And with all these plants that I'm going to talk about today, and what they have in common is that they aren't just looking for warmth, they're looking for that long, consistent, hot as blazes Florida summer kind of weather, plus all that rain. When our fall season starts and the days get a little bit shorter and the nights get cooler, these plants are just done producing. They shift to survival mode, which means we don't get anything from them. First up, the first plant is sweet potato. Now, these guys are champs during the summer. They love the heat. They're going to grow vines like crazy. But once our fall starts and the nights get a little bit cooler, the plants get a little confused. It'll keep growing maybe some nice leaves, but down in the ground where that magic happens, the potatoes, they're just not going to form. Instead, fall is a perfect time for other root crops like radishes, carrots, and beets. For radishes, try a quick growing variety like cherry bell or white icicle. For carrots, a variety like imperator or Nantes will do great in our soil. And for beets, Detroit Dark Red, it's a classic. Next, let's talk about okra. If you plant okra at the right time in Florida, you almost can't stop it. You'll be picking buckets of it. But if you try to plant it now for a fall harvest, you're gonna be disappointed. Instead of okra, this is the perfect time for growing leafy greens. Try a heat-tolerant kale like Ethiopian kale, lacinato, lacinato, dinosaur kale, however you want to say it. Red Russian, these can all grow great throughout our fall season into spring. For traditional loose leaf lettuces, try black-seeded Simpson or red sales. They're quick growers and they prefer the cooler months. A much better plant to plant now. Number 3 is southern peas, cowpeas. This is another classic summer veggie. They thrive in the heat, don't mind a little drought even, but like our other plants, they need that long, consistent heat to grow well and set lots of pods. A Florida fall with its changing temperatures, it's just not what they're looking for. Instead of wasting time on these, try planting some other delicious green beans or snap peas, which love the cooler weather. For bush beans, I recommend varieties like Contender or Provider. If you have a trellis, pole bean varieties like Kentucky Wonder will give you a bigger harvest. But if you just don't have a trellis, don't be afraid to plant some bush beans. Number four is long growing season pumpkins. They need really long, hot season to mature. With our fall shorter days, again, they just won't make it. You'll likely end up with plants that get attacked by bugs or fungus before the pumpkins ever get growing. If you want to grow something similar, focus on planting some yummy squash and cucumbers. For cucumbers, many Asian types do well in our Florida fall. Soyo and China Jade are great ones. You want a classic pickling cucumber. I really like the Boston pickling variety. It's great. For squash, you can grow Cocozelle. That has some really cool striping. And another unique one is the patty pan squash, which grows these small, like palm-sized squash that you can cut up and roast if you want. All right, last but not least, this vegetable you shouldn't grow in fall is luffa. To get a luffa sponge, you need, again, a long, hot growing season and a time for it to dry. Your chances are pretty slim of getting one in the fall. You're better off planting something that will actually give you a harvest this season, like broccoli, cabbage, not really similar to luffa, but much better to plant. For broccoli, an old favorite variety of mine is Waltham 29. It's classic. It's a great choice. Fast-growing cabbage is Early Jersey or Red Acre. These will give you heads of cabbage in no time, but there's actually loose-leaf cabbages like Napa. That's probably one of the easiest cabbages to grow. So, there you have it. These are 5 plants you should be skipping for your Florida fall garden. Sweet potatoes, okra, southern peas, long season pumpkins, and luffa. It's not you, it's the weather. But by avoiding these common mistakes, you can save a ton of time and energy and put it towards growing a garden that will actually produce and loves this time of year. Knowing what not to plant is just as important as knowing what to plant. If this video helped you out, I think you will really like this next video. It's all about timing and figuring out how where you are in the state actually affects your planting time. This will help you understand all of our growing seasons here in Florida. Really hope this helps. Have a good day.